Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of tech with no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best curved computer monitor ultra-wide HD on the market right now. The Z-Edge 32-inch curved gaming monitor, model UG32. Right out of the box, the Z-Edge UG32 looks sleek and minimalistic. With its ultra-slim bezels on three sides, it offers a frameless design that's all about maximizing immersion. At 32 inches, this monitor feels massive without being overwhelming, and the 1500 R curve wraps the image around your peripheral vision, pulling you right into the action. Whether you're deep in a gaming session or just enjoying a high-definition movie night. Let's talk visuals. The UG32 features a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440, which means you're getting 4 times the detail of a 720p display. That's sharp. Combine that with a contrast ratio of 3000 to 1, and what you get is rich, inky blacks and bright, crisp whites. Color reproduction is also impressive with support for 16.7 million colors, ensuring vibrant and realistic visuals. You'll notice the difference in everything from high-speed racing games to photo editing and 3D rendering. Now, performance. This monitor is designed with gamers in mind. You're getting up to 170Hz refresh rate through DisplayPort and up to 144Hz via HDMI. That means ultra-smooth visuals with virtually no screen tearing or stuttering. Whether you're playing competitive FPS games or fast-paced action titles, the motion clarity is excellent. Add to that a rapid 1 millisecond MPRT response time and built-in RTS and FPS gaming modes, and you're looking at a setup that's ready for high-performance gaming straight out of the box. Connectivity options are another win. With 2 HDMI ports and 2 DisplayPort inputs, you can hook up multiple devices without constantly swapping cables. It's a great setup for gamers who switch between a console and a PC or for creators who multitask across systems. Comfort is also considered here. The matte screen finish reduces glare, and the flicker-free display with low blue light output makes long sessions easier on the eyes. Whether you're gaming for hours or working on complex spreadsheets, your eyes won't feel strained. This monitor also supports a 75 by 75 mm VESA mount, giving you the flexibility to install it on the wall or attach it to a monitor arm. That means you can truly optimize your workspace or battle station setup to your liking. Now let's talk dimensions. The Z-Edge UG32 stands approximately 27.9 inches wide, 16.1 inches tall without the stand, and is about 3.4 inches thick. With the stand, it reaches around 20.1 inches in height and includes a sturdy base that keeps it well balanced on your desk. Despite the large screen size, it remains lightweight and easy to maneuver. If you're after a feature-rich curved gaming monitor with stunning QHD visuals, smooth high refresh rate performance, and a sleek design that won't break the bank, then yes, absolutely. It delivers where it matters most: immersive display, rapid performance, and versatile connectivity. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best tech for your setup. Until next time, game on and stay sharp.